So here it is written clearly. So no need not to write the separate meaning. Can you say which of three countries below had such an political system until very recently? United States of America, South Africa, and Australia. Clear? So you just find the answer yourself, and then I will tell you in next video. Have you heard of Nelson Mandela? So you know better whether you have heard his name or hearing the name first time. Clear? Mandela, just you can also search about him yourself. Mandela and his African National Congress spent a lifetime fighting against apartheid. So Mandela and some of his followers and the members of his party, which was the name of the party is African National Congress, spent a lifetime fighting. Means they fought against apartheid in his full life. Mandela had to spend 30 years in prison. Listen, students, 3 are more, but I have searched. They were written 27. So no need to say or differentiate. So you can say 30 years in prison. Finally, democratic elections were held. So they fought against the injustice of these apartheid, and what? After 30 years, finally, the democratic elections were held in South Africa in 1994, and Mandela became the first black president of new nation. Clear? I have already discussed this in autobiography Long Walk to Freedom. Mandela speaks about his historic occasion, the inauguration. Listen, students. So in this chapter, you have a detailed account of the speech and whatever happened at the day of the inauguration. Clear? You guess what occasion might it be? तो means oath ceremony थी. It was the oath ceremony. Check your guess. This news item. तो means this news item is there is from the BBC. BBC you know very well. It is a न्यूज़ एजेंसी विच प्रोवाइड न्यूज़ है ना ऑफ 10th May 1994. क्लियर? मंडेला बिकम साउथ अफ्रीकाज फर्स्ट ब्लैक प्रेसिडेंट. तो इट वॉज द पेपर कटिंग. Nelson Mandela has become South Africa's first black president after more than 3 centuries of white rule. 3 centuries means 300 period. 300 years of white rule. It is a very long time. 300 years was the rule of white people, and the black suffered a lot due to which, and that's why what? It was the victory to all the oppressors, because Mr. Mandela African National Congress party won 252 out of 400 seats. Listen, students, it was a nice victory. He earned more than 50%. There were 400 seats, and out of which he won with 252, means more than 50% votes seats in the first democratic election of South Africa's history. So it was a historical victory. The first democratic elections were held, and a black president won with very nice voting. The inauguration ceremony took place in the Union Building Amphitheatre in Pretoria today. So what the news article says? Inauguration ceremony means oath ceremony, you can say here, took place in the Union Building. जो संघ की बिल्डिंग थी, एम्पी थिएटर इन प्रिटोरिया. प्रिटोरिया इज द नेम ऑफ द सिटी ऑफ अफ्रीका. कैपिटल यू कैन से एम्पी थिएटर. एम्पी थिएटर you know very well. Amphitheater is a place where, oh, Mini is also there. A building without a roof with many rows of seats rising in steps typical of ancient Greece and Rome. Listen student, they are such type of auditorium, clear, but the structure of these auditorium is totally different from the normal one. I can tell you one example, like this amphitheater. I hope you have visited Akshay Patra of Vrindavan, and there is a small amphitheater, you can say, uh, where there are circled steps, and in the middle there is a podium or stage. So this type of, you can also say amphitheater picture in net, also on net. Okay, so amphitheater is a building which has no roof, and for sitting the audience there are circles, मतलब steps on which there, and the plays and stages were in the middle, and the field were middle where the performance were held, attended by politicians and dignitaries from more than 140 countries around the world. Listen, students, this ceremony, this inauguration ceremony was not only attended by the South African people but politicians and dignitaries here means influential people. ठीक है, देखिए, लिसन, प्रभावशाली व्यक्ति, ए पर्सन हु इज इन्फ्लुएंशियल एंड हैज़ एन इम्पोर्टेंट ऑफिशियल पोजीशन, बड़े बड़े अफसर और बड़े लोग, क्लियर, बहुत ही प्रभावशाली, मतलब इन्फ्लुएंशियल, एंड हाई अथॉरिटी, having high authority people and politicians, political leaders from more than 140 countries gathered there to attend that ceremony. Never again will this beautiful land experience the oppression of one by another, said Nelson Mandela in his address. Listen, student, this is the part from his speech in which he said that never again will this beautiful land, so means his beautiful country South Africa will never again experience or bear the oppression means suppression, किसी को दबाना, one by another, तो means as white people were suppressing or oppressing the black ones, and that's why he promised to the people and citizen of Africa that this type of oppression will never be happened again in his rule. Jubilant scenes on the streets of Pretoria followed the ceremony with blacks, whites and colored celebrating together. Clear? So means not only the white people, not only the black people, but all people together gathered there to see that ceremony. More than 1 lakh, clear, more than 1 lakh South African men and women and children of all races sang and danced with joy. Listen, students, everybody was happy for their victory because they were fighting for the truth, for equality, for justice, and that's why what, 1 lakh South African men and women, not only the white, not only the black, but also some white people also there to celebrate. They sing, they dance with joy at the victory of Mandela.